Now, when we are using Google Sheets, sometimes we require to increase the row height as well as the column width. Now, we will learn in this particular presentation as how to increase the row height and the column width. Step by step, I will be showing you. On your computer, open a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Already, I have opened a spreadsheet in the Google Sheet. Select a row or a column to resize to highlight multiple rows or columns. That means even we are able to select a single row or we are able to select multiple rows at the same time. Right click the row number or the column letter. First, I will be showing you the row part. Click resize row or resize column. Then choose an option, enter a custom height or width, enter a custom height or width of it to data and then click OK. So I'm coming to the Google site now, Google Sheet now. I am selecting row number 3. As soon as I click number 3, I'll right click my mouse button. You will be able to see an option called as resize the row. When I click on resize the row, over here specify row width and fit to data. By default it is fit to data. If I want to increase the row size, I require to specify row height. I am giving over here number 30 and just click on OK. You will be able to see that row number 3 has increased. Selecting row number 4, right click, going to resize the row. Now giving the option as 50 so that you are able to clearly understand the row height has increased. Over here, you are able to see that the row height has increased. Now I'm selecting the column. I'm selecting column C, right click, resize the column. Again, it will ask as enter new column within pixel. Default it is 100. I am giving 200 over here and see what will happen over here. The marks column has increased. The same thing we can apply for name of the student or column B. Right click, resize the column, giving this time as 300 and clicking OK. So in this particular manner, I am able to increase as well as I am able to decrease the column width and the row height. Now again, resize the column. Initially it was 100. I will be giving 100 again and click OK. So yes, we are able to increase as well as we are able to decrease the column width as well as the row height. I'm decreasing the row height for this particular column. Resize, I'm giving by default as 21. So in this manner, we are able to increase the column width, decrease the column width, increase the row height, decrease the row height.